What's up, YouTube? Let's go, got you. Yeah! Back again for another video, but I don't even know what the title gonna be, but you know, you gotta start and just gotta start. Sometimes you just gotta start and just go. And y'all do me a favor, just hit the subscribe button, man. Look out for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Just you hit that button. Yeah, you feel me? And that feel good. Appreciate you. But I got a little taste for some fries, like these certain type of fries from this little place. So I'm about to just go there and get some fries. And then I'm going to my mom's house. But yeah, let's do that. As y'all see, I'm here. I'm about to go to my fries.
Thank you for the Tons Barbecue Express. Can I get your lap?
Can I get some fries?
Small or large?
Large.
Anything else?
And that's it.
I'm sorry?
That's it.
447 at the first window for you, okay?
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna get like a milkshake or some shit, but I didn't see nothing that looked good. They had some names up there, but you know how Cookout got like so many different flavors. So I guess I was spoiled from Cookout doing that. So when I seen that flavor, I'm like, man, I'm good. But yeah, let me get this, and I'm gonna hit back with y'all. So man, I got to the last window, asked for some honey mustard. These son niggas talking about some 53 cents. Like, why y'all being stingy? You could just gave me one. You feel me? But it's cool though. The lucky ain't how I don't carry cash at all. So like, that's the only thing. I was like, man, it's cool. Never mind. But they still good. These fries still bust. You don't even need no honey mustard. I just be, you know what I'm saying? I'm a different type of. Yeah, you feel me? I'm a different type of. You already know. But like, these are the fries is, if y'all can see. I know y'all see, huh? Crinkle. You feel me? Freshly. You feel me? Like, I don't know why I keep saying that. I need to get out and stop saying that, but. Like, this is it right here. I ain't gonna lie. This is it right here. I can't lie. Like, I've been having to pay for this for like 3 days now. But I just ain't feel like going, you know what I'm saying, to go get them. I can just say they definitely worth the wait. But these are fire. Y'all see what I got? Large. Look how big it is. Like you got a corner roll or some shit. That's how they load you up. For the $4? Yeah. I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10. I mess with them. I'm trying to tell you, I like them. I don't know. I can't remember the name of the restaurant. It's like Country Barbecue or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. On North Main, High North Carolina. If you ever here, that's with them. I don't know what the other food tastes like, but the fries good. But let me smash these because I'm hungry and I don't want to smash in y'all face, you know. So let me get back with y'all. What's up, y'all? It's a new day, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? I ended up not really doing nothing yesterday after I finished eating fries, you know. But I don't know what I'm about to do today either. But I guess y'all gonna see me. I gotta go get these Uno cards because I got this game I want to play. You know what I'm saying? Look out You know what I'm saying? Do a little something with the family real quick, just because. You know what I'm saying? And probably get me something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat yet. But yeah, let's do that and hit that like button and that subscribe button. Appreciate you. Well, I ain't get to go to Walmart yet. I went to my mama's house. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but they had church, and my mama got my niece, and they doing choir practice. Somebody come sit with my niece and give them a little, you know, you feel me? So let me go in here. I gotta put my hoodie on because it's slight chilly out here. Slight chilly out this. You feel me? But yeah, about to go in here real quick and see what's going on, and get back with y'all. You feel me? Do it again. Alright, y'all, finally about to head to Walmart. I'm by myself today. You know, I usually have somebody with me. I thought Taz was gonna pull up, but he ain't pulled up. I don't know what he got going, but I know what I got going. What I got going is me going to Walmart and getting these dang on Uno cards. And I don't know. I seen Subway got these new foot-long nachos. I think I should go try that. You know what I'm saying? Just for y'all to see. You know what I'm saying? I don't know yet, but I gotta go see. And I don't know. But hold on, let me get my light, y'all. I mean, there y'all go. Y'all can see me now. But yeah, I don't know. I was in here thinking. I feel like those just a smash. I don't know, some nachos do sound good right about now, but I don't know yet. It all depends on how I feel after I leave Walmart. Cause I'm about to go to Walmart first, grab these Uno cards. Y'all gonna see, huh? I'm just yapping right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm just yapping. But yeah, man. I'll holler at y'all when we get there. You feel me? Alright, y'all. I'm in Walmart. About to grab these things on Uno cards. Hey, one thing I learned about with my social anxiety shit, I think you just gotta not give a fuck. It's tough, but you know, once you not care, I feel like once you not care, I feel like stuff just seems so easier to go. Like once I get to not caring, my anxiety like just goes down. Go from a 10 to a 3. Like you don't just completely go away. It's just hard. It don't just completely just goes away. It's gonna be there. But once you get in that not give a fuck mode, it kind of get easier. But you gotta not care. When you got a good heart like me, it'd be so tough. Cause I got a good heart, but I'm telling you, some stuff everyone say no to and not do, it'd be hard to say no because you know, get hard. But listen down the line, I'm gonna be able to be like, fuck all that. Let me find these Uno cards. Hey. When the kids, I used to be like, right here. Ain't right here no more. You gotta go down and around. Find these ain't Uno cards. One thing I always learned is just you gotta keep going. Just gotta keep going. Just gotta keep going. Just gotta keep going. Ain't no stopping to this. Just gotta keep going. I don't know, looking like I'm getting close, y'all. I might find it. I'm getting close. Like you said, I'm getting closer. I think I'm getting closer, y'all. So I wanna make you smile. I wanna make you happy. I wanna make you sad. I wanna make you cry. Wee. Hope I ain't went too far. Hope I ain't went too far. Hope I ain't went too far. Oh, found me, y'all. I found them. They got giant Uno. Okay, boom. I found them, y'all. What y'all think? Team Uno flip, a regular Uno. I'm gonna go regular, y'all. I ain't trying to do all that fancy. All this stuff. Now we'll customize wild cards. Ain't nobody trying to customize shit. Ain't nobody trying to customize shit. This ain't GTA, customize my car. Well, I got my Uno cards, y'all, as y'all can see. And now let's all check out and get on. I do gotta stop at the ATM to get this money, y'all, so I can have a cash prize. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back in the car or whatever. Hold on, I just seen some shit. See? Y'all ever go somewhere, go get one thing and end up getting more than one thing? Or am I the only one? Cause I know I ain't tripping. hit that like button if y'all be doing it too. It's hard to just get. It's hard to just get one thing, especially when you start seeing extra shit. And you got a little money in your pocket. I feel like I'm going to the racetrack trying to ride around. Going head down to the section. Oh, I need to get some gum. I need to buy some gum. I need to buy some gum. See, well I said y'all. For one thing, more than one thing. But yeah, let me check out. Let me get back with y'all. Oh yeah, I'm at Cookie Crumb. I gotta get these cookies. Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Got these cookies, y'all. As y'all see how they're looking. They definitely look like they look like they about delicious. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They do look like they about delicious. We about to see. We about to really see what they hitting for real. In a second. Don't mind the fur right there. I'm trying to get my stuff together. Had to, get my little regular little video when I go in, so I can post it on my Snap. You know what I'm saying? If you're not following me on my Snap, follow me. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. You know what I'm saying? Get with me. Don't get without me. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep going. But yeah. Let me get to my mom's house. About to go do this video. You know what I'm saying? I might let y'all see a little behind the scenes and stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. As y'all can see, your boy is at Subway. About to try this foot-long nachos. About to see what they hitting for, y'all. So yeah, bear with me. And I'm gonna get to y'all after I get my. I'm gonna tell y'all what it's looking like after I get it. So yeah. Alright, y'all, and I'm back. As y'all can see, I got my foot-long Doritos nachos from Subway. You know what I'm saying? About to see what it's hitting for. You feel me? They ain't do nothing but, you know what I'm saying, put some Doritos in the box, and then squeeze cheese, then threw some other cheese on top of it. But then I added me some lettuce, tomatoes, some onions, some jalapenos. And they don't come with sour cream, so they gave me some dang on chipotle sauce, I guess. But let's get ready for these nachos. Let's see what these hitting for. First we're gonna go plain. We ain't gonna use no chipotle sauce or nothing on it. Y'all may ain't see me, but I definitely wash my hands. First bite. They got from here. I been did Doritos and nachos on my fat boy something. That's when I used to eat meat. Like 6 years ago. I been on some shit like that. I been smashing the Doritos with the, you feel me? But these actually decent, I ain't gonna lie. I guess, the cheese hit 'em. I got my veggies on there. Alright. Alright, let's try this one with the chipotle sauce. Dip some sauce in there. Get this on my lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, and that bitch. I don't know. It wasn't no different taste. All good is still good. I'm gonna end her off with a 8.5 out of 10. Definitely recommend y'all go try it out. Maybe with some meat on it, chicken on it, steak on it. However y'all like it. No did it. But y'all go try it out. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Only if I showed y'all my feet before I end it off. Let me show y'all my feet real quick. Damn, I got the Balenciagos, the yeaayurrmgmt merch, the Loak chain. You feel me? The tats. The dreads. I ain't got my shades on right now, but I used to have them on. The plaques. Yeah, they there. I don't know. What my soul say? Whatever you do, keep that shit rolling.
We leading this bitch, you know it. Don't pass me your blunt, I won't hit it, I throw it.
One word and two lies and I feel like a poet, just having the mic and I tell and record. In a small close place, you can say I'm in
I
stores.
was a dirty girl, blast when I